Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change top and bottom cell margin in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to change the top and bottom cell margin. At first, go to a blank page. Then go to the tools section and select the table tools and draw a table to these pages. Then click inside the table cells. Now we want to change the top and bottom cell margin. Enable the table format option and we can see here the cells drop down menu. Then we select the insets and decrease this. Then select this top. Firstly, we remove some rows and remove some column to see this option better. Then increase the size, then increase the top margin and bottom margin, then write anything to this table, then select the text and increase the size. Now we can see we change the top and bottom cell margin to this table cells very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.